All right, Jenny, what do you think? Should we get started?
Yeah, let's get started.
Perfect. Well, hi, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us for our monthly Heat Smart Finger Lakes North webinar. I'm JJ. I work for Habitat for Humanity of Wayne County, and I'm with my colleague today, Jenny, from the Genesee Finger Lakes Regional Planning Council, and we'll be talking about EmPower this month. But before we dive in, I just want to quickly remind you that the Heat Smart campaign is really designed to connect you to weatherization and heat pump technologies to make your home more comfortable, more affordable, and more climate friendly.
So the EmPower New York program is a NYSERDA funded program that provides no-cost energy efficiency solutions to eligible New York residents. The 2021-2022 income limit for a family of four is $62,988 per year, and individuals who receive HEAP, SNAP, or other public assistance will automatically qualify for this program. You also must be an electricity or natural gas customer of NYSEG or RG&E, or you need to heat with oil, propane, gas, or propane, wood, coal, or pellets. 100% of the eligible energy efficiency upgrades up to 10%, up to $10,000. And right now, nearly 160,000 of our neighbors are already using and participating in this program to see energy upgrades. Whether you own a home or rent a home, a participating contractor will be assigned to you to assess your home and whether or not it would benefit from free energy upgrades.
All right, so what services does EmPower New York offer? Whether you own or you rent, one of our participating Heat Smart contractors will be assigned to you to assess if your home would benefit from certain free energy upgrades. These can include installation of high efficiency lighting, attic and wall insulation, replacement of old and efficient refrigerators and freezers, water saving shower heads, and a monthly electric bill credit of between $5 to $15 from community solar.
So once you submit your initial application and receive your letter of approval from NYSERDA, a participating contractor will be in touch to schedule your assessment. NYSERDA contractors will take a whole home approach at looking at how your house is heated, how well it retains heat, how electricity is used in your home, and just kind of the daily in-home activities. The assessment will last 1 to 3 hours and will identify where energy efficiency, comfort, and safety upgrades can be made in your home. And during this initial visit, your EmPower contractor will also evaluate whether or not there's a couple minor improvements that they could be made right away. Improvements such as installing high efficiency lighting, adjusting your thermostat settings for maximum comfort and savings, checking and adjusting your hot water temperature, installing high efficiency shower heads and aerators, measuring the energy use of your refrigerators and freezers, and also checking the carbon monoxide levels in your home and evaluate whether or not you need a carbon monoxide detector or additional smoke detectors in your home. And these are things that they will install during this first initial visit if they deem they are necessary.
Okay, so let's break those down a little bit for you. Installation of high efficiency lighting. They may swap out your light bulbs to Energy Star certified light fixtures. You also might want to consider lighting controls such as dimmers and motion sensors. The lower the dim setting, the less electricity used. It's pretty simple, but it's a good reminder for everybody to keep those as dim as possible. And another reminder to turn off the lights when you're leaving a room or leaving your house. You know, we're entering the holiday season, so another reminder would be to turn off your exterior lights that any displays that you've got going on, turn those off when you go to bed at night.
So it's also really important to install things like weather strips or caulk around doors and windows. And this is a really cheap and easy solution to make your home more comfortable and energy efficient. Good insulation will help resist airflow through walls, ceilings, and roofs, and it will stop heat from exiting, acting as a protective barrier between you and the outside conditions. The most important location in your home to have high quality insulation is your attic. You know, as hot air rises, especially in the winter with the heat pumping through your home, a lot of the air will escape through your attic at the roof line, and that will cause a lot of ice buildup. So in order to prevent that, upgrading to good insulation can protect your home from that ice buildup, and also protect your home against moisture, which will help deter things like mold, rot, and odor, which no one wants in their home.
Okay, so they may measure the energy use of your fridge and freezer and replace those with Energy Star models at no cost to you if your old appliances use a lot of energy. These appliances do come with a full 1-year warranty, but just keep in mind, if you do qualify for this kind of upgrade, you will be responsible for servicing or any repairs should a problem arise after your 1-year warranty is up. And just another general tip, you want to check your freezer and fridge temperatures. Your fridge should be roughly around 38 degrees and your freezer between 0 and 5 degrees. These temperatures they keep your food fresh, but you're not expending too much energy on both of those appliances.
So changing out your shower heads is also a really great idea. Your EmPower contractor will evaluate your home's need for new efficient models. An efficient shower head can reduce your water usage by 2,700 gallons per year. So be on the lookout for the WaterSense models. They are certified to meet the Environmental Protection Agency's water efficient certifications, and they are 20% more water efficient than the traditional shower head that you may have in your home. And also, it's a really good idea to change out leaky faucets, and the EmPower contractor will be on the lookout for things that are leaking and not moving water as efficiently. And this will help save water and energy, and honestly will save you money on your water bill as well.
Monthly electric bill credit from community solar. So NYSERDA will work with your utility to connect your account to a local community solar project. Once connected, you'll then start receiving between $5 to $15 a month off your electric bill, reducing your monthly utility costs. Just keep in mind, this may not be available in all areas. So if you are interested in the electric bill credit, talk to Jenny or myself and we can make sure your area qualifies.
So there's an additional grant program for low and moderate income homes who are EmPower eligible and also located specifically in the RG&E territory. Households may be able to receive a brand new heat pump heating and cooling system for free or nearly free. Heat pumps provide both heating and cooling without the burning of fossil fuels in your homes and will eliminate your gas bill. If you're heating with gas, the furnace must be 80% or less efficient or have issues that prevent it from delivering adequate heating. And the old system must also be 5 years old, 5 years or older. In order to qualify fully for this grant, you need to go through a Heat Smart campaign. These grant funds are limited, so if you're interested, please reach out and we can make sure to help you through this process and continue to support you and having access to the best quality contractors and we can really advocate for heat pump technologies and weatherization. I also want to say that with these types of programs, we're always on the lookout for additional programs that might be coming out. So if NYSEG seems to be having a similar type of program, we will 100% let everyone know and make sure that we can get you on board. Because again, this funding is going quick for sure. So please reach out if you have any questions about this.
All right, the fun part. So if you're interested in what we've talked about today, you'll get in touch with Jenny or myself or with our other partner, Pathstone. They are servicing Ontario County, and we'll help you fill out the EmPower combined residential application. Once that has been done, we'll schedule a free home energy assessment for you with a Heat Smart contractor.
So if you're interested, like JJ said, you can reach out to either of us or to our partners Passstone, or you can go to heatsmartflx.org to find out more information and sign up via the website and to learn a little bit more about the HeatSmart campaigns. You also can go to the Genesee Finger Lakes Regional Planning Council's YouTube channel. We have all of the videos that we've done through HeatSmart recorded, and they're available to you at any time to help you understand a little bit more about the different grant opportunities that are available, about the HeatSmart program, to learn a little bit more about weatherization and as well as about heat pumps. So again, please reach out. I'm supporting Genesee and Orleans counties. JJ is supporting Wayne County. And again, our partner Kevin over at Passstone will be supporting Ontario County. If you are from a different county altogether, again, please reach out. There's campaigns across the state that are looking to do the similar type of work. And we definitely want to make sure that you can receive the support and the access you need to understanding the installers, the right technologies, and the programs such as EmPower that are available to you to make weatherization and energy upgrades affordable. And with that, if anyone has any questions, please feel free to send them in the chat and we'll take a look at those.
Yeah, so it looks like Paul asked, if I was to call tomorrow, how long do you think it would take to have someone come out to my house? Good question, Paul. Right now we're looking at about 2 weeks lead time, but it can be also 2 to 4 weeks. We try to push the contractors along and make sure that they get to you at an appropriate time, but they're quite busy right now.
For a family of 2, let me actually go to the website right now and I can answer that question.
Yeah, great question, Kate.
For a family of 2, it looks like the income, the maximum income is $42,828. Again, if you do not qualify for that specifically, you can reach out and we have other programs that you could be eligible for as well. Are there any other additional questions? We'd be happy to answer those. Of course, you're welcome, Kate.
I'm just going to type my contact in the chat if anybody here is from Wayne County and would like to speak to me. You can save that tonight and reach out anytime.
Yes, and I also put my contact information in there, and I will also put the EmPower website in here as well to provide you a little bit more information. And we will be, this is being recorded, so we'll happily put this on the Genesee Finger Lakes Regional Planning Council's YouTube page. We'll put it back on social media so people can look at it again and obviously reshare this out with other people who might be interested in this program.
All right. Well, thank you all for attending. Happy holidays. It was really a pleasure to speak to you about EmPower New York today.
Thank you, everyone.
Take care.